Hi, my name is Majid Bazrafshan, and I'm a member of FICO Xpress Optimization team. I would like to welcome you to the first of a 10-part video tutorial series on FICO Xpress Insight. In this tutorial, I will give you a brief overview of Xpress Insight and how it fits onto the FICO Xpress product line. What is Xpress Insight? Let's begin with an overview. Xpress Insight enables businesses to rapidly deploy optimization models and other advanced analytics as powerful business applications. Why do you need Xpress Insight? Unfortunately, most analytics programs fail to deliver tangible business results. In one McKinsey survey, 86% of executives say their organizations were only somewhat effective at meeting the primary objective of their data and analytics programs. We want to help our customers be more successful than that. We design Xpress Insight for business users versus technical experts. Xpress Insight enables users to interact with optimization models and other advanced analytics in simple-to-understand business terms. In short, Xpress Insight puts the power of advanced analytics in the hands of business users so analytics programs can be deployed instead of destroyed, for the lack of a better word. What can Xpress Insight do for you? Xpress Insight can help translate between the technical team and the business team. It can help business experts with intuitive scenario creation, collaborative visualization and reporting, comparative what-if analysis. As a matter of fact, it can reduce development time by 70% to create interactive and collaborative solutions and help you deliver business decisions quickly, more than 5 times faster in certain areas. FICO Xpress Insight is part of a larger product line called FICO Xpress. FICO Xpress is comprised of solutions and technology. While the focus of our tutorial is on the technology, it is useful to see how it all fits together. The solutions are used by business users and business analysts. The technology is typically used by operations researchers, data scientists, and solution developers. What are Xpress solutions? Our solutions address a variety of business problems in a wide array of industries. FICO isn't just about banking. We service the world leaders in airline, energy, telco, and more. How about Xpress Technology? FICO Xpress has the widest set of industry-leading solver technologies. It includes Xpress Moselle, the premier analytic orchestration, optimization modeling, and programming language. It also provides rapid solution development. FICO Xpress has industry-leading collaborative integrated development environments. It comes with a comprehensive user interface as well as visualization and reporting configuration options. FICO Xpress also has a wide range of execution options. While our technology has 4 components, Xpress Insight, Xpress Executor, Xpress Solver, and Xpress Workbench, we are here to focus on Xpress Insight. Xpress Insight is a core technology component of FICO Xpress. As mentioned before, it is an extensible software application for deploying optimization models and other advanced analytics as solutions. It includes scenario management, execution, file management, user management, security, and it also includes visualization, dashboards, and data analysis. So in summary, Xpress Insight is part of a bigger product line called FICO Xpress. Xpress Insight enables the technical team to collaborate with business users quickly and easily to operationalize analytics and bring real value to the business. You are now ready to move on to the second part of our series, steps on building Xpress Insight applications.